Now, remember that all the strategies that I am giving you, they do not work only on these smaller time frames. No, they do not work only on smaller time frames. They work even on the higher time frames. It all depends on where you see it. I know so many people will be asking that, since you are using the 50-minute, maybe we should only apply the strategy on the 50-minute. No, you can apply it in the 1 hour. You can apply it on the daily, the weekly. It all depends on how you see it. Because when we scroll down and go even to, anyway, let me just explain what I'm to explain here about how to trade this consolidating market. Now, each time you are trading a consolidating market like this, you simply mark out the areas. You simply mark out the areas like this. Always mark out the areas and wait for what they call a breakout. Always wait for a breakout. Always mark out your zones like this. And then you wait for a breakout either at the upside or the downside, because each time the market is consolidating, just know that after that consolidation, there will either be a very huge pump or a very huge dump in the market. I repeat, each time you notice a consolidating market, that's the market consolidating. When I talk about the market consolidating, you simply notice that it is ranging, not actually ranging, because there's a difference between a ranging market and a consolidating market. Ranging market, they are simply ranging between your support and your resistance. Yes. Why consolidating market, it does not ranges. You don't even know who is really active than the other. You don't know whether it's sellers or the buyers that are active more than the friend. So you notice that the market consolidates, and then at a particular point, there will be what they call a breakout. Breakout simply means this consolidation will no longer occur again in the market, and the market will break out either at the upside or the downside. So once as you notice a consolidating market, you identify your zones and then you wait for a breakout. If a breakout occurs upward, you take a buy, and if it occurs downward, you simply take a sell. You simply take a sell. So what happened here was that the breakout occurred, it occurred on the upside, and we saw a confirmation by what? Well, volume gave us a confirmation that there are a lot of buying activities in the market. And then the second confirmation was that there was momentum candles that were formed. We noticed that momentum candles formed at this particular area. What are momentum candles? These candles, you see, either when you see two green candles forming on the same line, you see very long green candles forming on the same line, you could easily know that this is a breakout that is occurring. And then since the market has been consolidating, we should be expecting what? A very huge pump in the market. And we notice that a huge pump occurred in the market at this particular level. And so if you were actually trading this particular trade, or you knew about the strategy, you could have made some good profit in the market. That is another strategy that I have given you. And you notice that 100 pp has been consolidating for long. Look at, it has been consolidating for long. So each time there is a consolidation, you don't have to trade. You have to stay off the market until this breakout occurs. You don't have to be trading. When you are trading this kind of a market, you keep observing your trades, and then you notice that your trade is going up and down, like entering profit, going back to loss, entering profit, going back to loss, because it is somehow consolidating and nobody is really active more than the friend in the market. So when you notice a kind of market like this, you can avoid trading them until you identify a breakout. I don't know if it's understood. I don't know if it is understood. Hello, are we there?
Yes, sir.
We are there, sir. We are there.
All right.
It's understood, sir. It's understood.
But
Thanks
where
very
I'm
much.
a little bit confused is that when the consolidation is up, you said it's time for us to sell or to buy.
When the consolidation is up, the consolidation, it happens like this. You simply mark out the zones. You mark
That's
out.
when the breakout is up.
When a breakout occurs up, you buy. Like here, you have to buy. When it occurs down, you sell. And when you buy here, you target this area. This is your targeted area, this area. And you saw that if you took this place as your first profit, your TP1, this should be your TP2. This should be your TP2 and maybe TP3 at this level. What's going on? TP1 could be here, TP2, and even TP3, TP4. It means if you were to enter 1, you make 2, go make 3, and then you make 4. This particular trade could have touched all your take profit, and then maybe TP5. If you had TP5, of course, it will not take you to TP5. You simply just leave at TP4. So that is that for the strategy. Always make sure you check the volume too, the volume indicator that will tell you that you are supposed to enter the market at that particular level. This is another one again. You can see them. You see them in the market happening always. Look at a very huge consolidation. Such a market, you just have to start preparing yourself to buy it very well. You just start preparing yourself to buy or sell. Look at, let me just end it at this particular level here. Look at what happened here. And you saw a breakout. Look at a breakout occurred here. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candles. So you could enter at this particular level. And you notice a small consolidation too here. Look at this. You notice a small consolidation here, and the market immediately, the market had to break out here by the confirmation of this momentum candle. So guys, look at, if you took a buy in this trade, if you took a buy in this trade, you could make some reasonable profit. You could make some reasonable profit. You could make some reasonable profit here. At this particular point, you will be targeting some areas. This will be your TP1, maybe this could be your TP1 at this level. TP1 could be at this level. Let me mark it out here. TP1, look at TP2. This was your next target area, the next targeted area. And TP3, man, this is a huge drop. I'm giving you short strategies. Very, very simple, but they are short. Try it. They are very, very simple, but they are good strategies. They are very, very short strategies for every beginner. This is where you need to start from. Start understanding the nature of the market and how you can really trade that market before you. So guys, that is that. I don't know if there is any other question. I don't know if there's any other question you ask. All right, if there's no question, and then I'm sure we are going to end here for today. I'm going to put this video on YouTube so that if you forget anything, you can go and watch over and over. All right, guys. I am Fedi, the CEO of Fed Crypto Academy. You guys are all welcome to this amazing Zoom session, and just want to inform you guys that we are open for mentorship. We provide signals for beginners and even professional traders. If you're a professional trader, of course, You can still trade our signals. If you're a beginner, you can still trade our signals. We also give good setups that can also help you to trade and also make good profit in the crypto market. All right. If you want to see me for private mentorship, you can get to me. I'm going to drop my number on YouTube. I'm going to drop my various group links that you can join. You're free to join at any time, and you're free to get to me at any time. All right. Bye-bye.